Today, I want to share how I utilized Vicks Vaporub to help reduce my belly fat and achieve my ideal shape by encouraging fat burning in specific areas. It can also be used to tighten your skin, as Vaporub creates a temporary warming sensation when applied. I've discovered a straightforward method to trap that heat and use it to target belly fat. Let's keep it simple and get started. All you need is Vicks Vaporub, which you'll apply to the area where you want to lose fat. I'll demonstrate on my belly, but feel free to use it anywhere else on your body, just not on your face. Apply a generous amount of Vaporub to the targeted area and massage it in an upward motion with your fingers, just like I'm showing you. This will boost blood circulation and generate more heat, aiding in the burning of stubborn belly fat. Keep massaging for about 3 to 5 minutes, or you can ask a trusted family member for help. You might even consider compensating them for their assistance, since you're saving a lot compared to the cost of tummy tuck surgery. Some doctors and fitness experts might disagree with me, but that's just because it could affect their income. The truth is, this method is 100% effective. If your skin starts to feel dry, feel free to apply more Vaporub. Next, lie down and massage in a downward direction. I'm demonstrating everything clearly to ensure you don't make any mistakes. Remember to also massage in circular motions, as this really aids in fat reduction. Continue this for another 3 to 5 minutes, and then we can move on to the next step. I'll be using a roll of cling film to wrap around the area, as it helps to retain heat. You might feel a bit uncomfortable, but it's worth it. If you're also following a diet, combining this method will yield even better results. Leave the wrap on overnight or for at least 3 to 5 hours, and then remove it in the morning. Make sure to repeat this process regularly until you get your desired physique. Share this video with your friends or family who are struggling to lose weight, arms fat, belly fat, or any kind of fat. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.